layoffs are an absolute worst case scenario, so we're identifying every possible means to reduce or possibly eliminate the potential for layoffs. So that's going to involve shared sacrifice. It's going to involve some negotiation on healthcare plans. It's going to involve some sacrifice from taxpayers with respect to the tax levy. But if everyone can come to the table and contribute a little bit, we do have the potential to avoid the necessity for layoffs.
So as you know, the council passed a measure talking about switching to a statewide healthcare plan. So is that something the administration has reviewed, and do you think that's something that could be viable?
We've actually been able to identify something even more beneficial, which is a switch to the functional equivalent of the statewide health benefits plan. The two benefits to that is, number one, we can effectuate the equivalent of a state benefits plan immediately without waiting for 5 months for the state to approve Hoboken employees into that plan. And number two, that can realize a cost savings of up to $5 or $6 million this year. And if we can do that, and if the bargaining units can come to the table and agree to the functional equivalent of a state's benefits plan, it could potentially eliminate or substantially reduce the need for layoffs.
So if not NJ Direct 10, what would the plan potentially be?
Call it NJ Direct 11. It's literally the functioning equivalent of the state benefits plan. The only difference is that we can come into it now and we can realize millions of dollars in savings, which would lessen the number of potential layoffs.
All right, and anything else, any color you'd like to add just regarding the budget as a whole?
No, nothing is more important to me than our city employees and the taxpayers that I was sworn to represent. So we want to engage in meaningful conversations. Everyone, including myself, is going to have to sacrifice in multiple ways, but there is a path forward. We're engaging in active negotiations as of this morning on a day-to-day basis, and we expect to hopefully reach an agreement in the coming weeks.